what exactly is audit and cleanse?
Yeah, so I think the analogy that you've given already, John, is really good. This spring clean analogy of your estate. So what we're doing in audit cleanse is trying to find and check the validity of every pound, euro, dollar, whatever the currency, every dollar that is spent, looking at it and understanding what it is, where it is, what's it for, is it relevant, is it accurate, and putting that all together and finding, as you say, the areas where there is duplication, overspend, inaccuracies. So in our experience, wherever there is mess and untidiness, there is this chance, good chance in our experience, that things will be incorrect. And this covers a variety of different areas. As I said, whether it's sites that have been ceased where the billing is still ongoing, whether it's duplicate billing, so you've had an upgrade on a service, but you're still paying for the old service. All of these are areas. So really this spring clean is trying to understand what the estate really looks like and then comparing it to the ideal. What should it look like
Mm.
from a contractual point of view, from an estate point of view, and putting that together, determining where there's a problem and how we tackle that problem.